What's up everybody, Chris here, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at a smart home upgrade that I think a lot of you are going to appreciate, especially if you're someone who's tired of carrying keys around. Now this right here is the Solity GT5BK Wi-Fi smart lock, and Solity actually sent this out to me to unbox, install, and test in real-world conditions. Now I've had this lock installed for the last month or so, and I think I've got enough experience with it to give you my honest feedback. Not only does this lock have fingerprint access, app control, and smart home integration, but there's also a really cool customization aspect that I didn't expect, which we'll get into later in this video. Now if you want to check it out and you want to buy one for yourself, I'll have my affiliate link down in the description section below. So let's jump in. Okay, so first things first, Solity is a smart lock company that's based out of Korea that focuses on combining security, design, and convenience into one product. They've been in the digital lock space for a while now, and you'll see that reflected in the build quality and features of all of their products. Now, this GT5BK is designed for homes, rentals, and even offices. Basically, anywhere you want to upgrade to a smarter, more flexible entry system. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is, of course, show you what comes out of the box. Now, inside the box, you do get everything you need. You get an exterior keypad with a fingerprint reader. You get the interior lock unit, which is the back side of the lock itself. You get all the deadbolt hardware. You get all the mounting plates and screws that you need to set this thing up. And you also get backup keys and a user manual. Everything is packaged really well, and right away, the lock itself feels super solid. Now, the indoor part of the lock is covered in a thick, durable plastic material, and the exterior facing part of the lock is a thick aluminum body, which means it's very durable and can withstand a little bit of wear and tear. Now, I will say that this is nothing too fancy, especially if you're ordering just the standard model. Now, by default, it's got a matte black finish, a modern keypad, and a really minimal aesthetic design that fits pretty much any door design. But here's something that I didn't expect, and honestly one of the coolest parts about this lock. You can actually customize the faceplate from the factory. So instead of just that standard look, Solity offers a range of customizable and themed face designs. And the one they sent me is the American flag design, which I think looks pretty nice. Now, this design might not be the one for everyone, but they've got several to choose from. What I think is it adds a really unique personal touch that you don't usually see with smart locks. Now, most locks are pretty generic, but this lets you actually match your personality, your home style, or even seasonal themes, helping your front door stand out from the rest. Now for me, I think that's a really nice touch, and what's nice is that they've got several design themes to choose from. Now let's talk about what this lock can actually do and what some of the features are. You've got 4 different ways you can unlock this lock. You've got fingerprint, you've got passcode, you've got the smartphone app, and you've got the physical keys. And honestly, this flexibility is huge. You've got fingerprint for quick access, you've got passcodes for guests and anyone you want to give access to. You've got the app for remote control, and then you've got your key as backup. It just covers all the bases. Now, this lock, like most modern locks, connects to the Smart Solity app, which lets you lock and unlock your door remotely. It also lets you add and remove users for, let's say, family members. And then it also allows you to track access history so you can see who has come and who has gone. You can also use the app to create temporary codes for guests or even for Airbnb purposes, which seems to be the most popular method of use for these locks today. And then you can even create a ton of unique passcodes, which is perfect if you're running something like an Airbnb or you just have frequent visitors to your home. In addition to that, this lock also works with Alexa and SmartThings, which means that you can tie it into your smart home setup. So you can do things like configure Alexa voice prompts to lock and unlock their door, or even create routines like locking automatically at night or unlocking when you get home or when you're near your home. And the nice part is it's Wi-Fi enabled, so there's no extra hub that is needed. Now, when it comes to installation, this was actually pretty straightforward. If you've ever installed a deadbolt, you'll feel right at home, and this will be easy. Steps are simple. All you have to do is remove your old lock, install this new deadbolt, mount the exterior keypad, attach the interior unit, and secure everything. In reality, it took me about 10 to 20 minutes total, with most of that time working on getting the lock added to the app, which, to be completely honest, I did struggle with for a little bit, getting the lock detected by the app. Now, one thing I like during installation is that it automatically detects the door orientation, so you don't have to mess with left-right configurations because it does it all on its own. Now, when it comes to the app itself, setting it up was easy. All you have to do is download the app, pair the lock, which of course did take me a couple of resets, and start adding users. Now, when it comes to unlocking the door, it is super fast. All you have to do is walk up, tap in your code, and the door is unlocked. It took about 3 to 5 seconds for the door to completely unlock. There's no digging or fumbling around for keys because it just works. Now, when it comes to security, this includes some really useful features. It's got anti-peeping passcode, which means that you can enter random numbers before or after your code so that no one can really memorize or figure out what your code is. Next, you've also got strong deadbolt construction. It's built to resist forced entry. It's also IP54 weather resistant, which means it handles pretty much any outdoor condition, and it works in extreme hot and cold temperatures. Now, it's not just about convenience. This lock is built with security in mind. And after using it for a while, here's what stood out to me. Like all modern locks, fingerprint unlock is just convenient. It's one of those things where once you get used to it, you don't want to go back. Second, of course, is remote access, which is super useful. Now, if you're someone like me and you've ever left the house and you wonder or forget if you've locked the door, you can actually just check your phone to see if your door is locked. It's right there in front of you. Third, temporary codes are a game changer. These are great for guests, deliveries, cleaners, and family members. And if you're someone who runs an Airbnb, it's definitely a game changer, so you don't always have to be at the house. You can automatically set up new codes for new people who visit. And then again, particular to this lock, that customizable faceplate. Now, I didn't think it would matter that much at first, but it actually makes the lock feel more personal and less like just another piece of tech on your door. And then you've got something unique from your neighbors and anyone else around you. In addition to that, it's also a great talking piece. Now, things I really like about this lock is you've got multiple unlock options, you've got fast fingerprint response, you've got clean design plus a customizable faceplate design for those of you who want it, and then you've got smart home integration, and then you've also got remote management. Now, of course, there are also some things you need to keep in mind when you're buying this lock. First, installation might take a little bit of effort, especially if you're new. And of course, I did run into a little bit of a struggle getting the app to detect the lock itself. But after a couple of resets, it did detect and install the lock without any kind of issues. Second is batteries. They definitely will need to be replaced over time. But what's nice about this lock is that it only requires 4 AA batteries, unlike other locks which require up to 8 or more batteries to replace every few months. This one only requires 4, and it should last up to a year or more. But even then, you do have backup options like the physical key, and if the batteries do die, you've still got emergency power. So you do have a one-time use of unlocking the door, even if the batteries are dead. Now, overall, I do think this Solity GT5BK is a really solid smart lock. There's no frills or thrills that makes it stand out from its competitors, but it is a very solid lock. It combines security, convenience, smart features, and even personalization with custom design options, which makes it stand out from pretty much any other brand out there. Now, if you're someone who's looking to upgrade your home with something smarter and more convenient, this is definitely a lock worth checking out. And if you want to grab one for yourself, or even if you want to check out Solity's other more advanced locks, I'll drop my affiliate link in the description section below. Huge thanks to Solity for sending this lock out for me to review. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments section what feature do you like or would you like to see most on a smart lock. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.